Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the COVID-19 cases prediction using machine learning. So this is the complete project code and let's run the project. This is the loading window and it will open the home page. Now click on the forecast COVID cases. This is the about algorithm like Happy Prophet and it will show the algorithm details. Let's close it. You can enter the number of days to predict. Like I'm just entering the 15 days and country to predict India. Click on the forecast data in graphical format. So it will show the complete data in graphical form. It will take bit time to generate the graph. Okay, so it generate the graph. In that it will predicted the value, predicted highest peak point, predicted lowest peak point, actual value and predicted value minimum and maximum in the different colors. Okay, you can change the number of days, like I'm just entering the 10 and forecast data in table form. Like please give days between 15 to 20 days. So let's another 50 and forecast data in table form. So that model it can generate in the graphical format or tabular format. Now it is generating in the table format. You can see the dates, predicted value, predicted lowest peak value and predicted highest peak value. So it will give a date by date. Okay, in a complete month it will provide it. So let's click on the back to home page, exit software. If we click on yes, then it will destroy the window. Okay, and WHO guidelines for COVID-19. These are the guidelines we have to follow. You can just click on the right section. We have to follow those guidelines which is provided by WHO, World Health Organization. Okay, this is about COVID-19 description, like COVID-19 symptoms, about software, about COVID-19. Okay, so this is the complete project. Let's click on the exit and yes. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.